I just found this guy unexpectedly, guys. See some Kampala talent. The talent of Kampala, guys. This was unexpectedly, guys. Just know that Africans are good in football and they love football, guys. So anyway, this is the life of Kampala, guys. I am inside the city and see how the city looks like. Like people sell different things in the market. You can come to Kampala